Imagine this. It's early in the morning. Someone knocks on your door. You look outside and see law enforcement officers. Your heart starts racing. Your family is scared. And suddenly you're asking yourself, what am I supposed to do? For many immigrants, this is one of their biggest fears. Unfortunately, it's also a topic surrounded by misinformation. Today, we're going to talk about the truth about ICE, your rights, and what actually happens during an encounter. Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Rado, an immigration attorney. One of the biggest problems I see is that people often get their information from social media, friends, or rumors instead of understanding how these situations actually work. The goal of today's video is not to create fear. It's to help you feel informed and prepared. Because when people know their rights and understand the process, they are often in a much better position to make good decisions. Let's start with the basics. What is ICE? ICE stands for Immigration and Customs Enforcement. It's the federal agency responsible for enforcing certain immigration laws inside of the United States. Now, when people hear ICE, they often imagine the worst case scenario. But not every interaction with ICE looks the same. Not every encounter leads to detention. And not every encounter happens in the same way. So that's why understanding your rights is so important. One of the biggest questions I hear is, can ICE come to my house? The answer is that different situations involve different legal considerations. What matters most is understanding what your rights are before an encounter happens, because the worst time to learn your rights is during a stressful situation. Another common question is, can ICE stop me and ask questions? ICE officers may ask questions regarding identity, citizenship, or immigration status. This is why staying calm is incredibly important. Many people become nervous and start talking without fully understanding the situation. And sometimes they provide information that creates additional complications. One of the most valuable things you can do is remain calm and avoid making decisions based on panic. Let's talk about documentation. This is something I discuss with clients all the time. Whether you're a US citizen, lawful permanent resident, visa holder, or someone with a pending immigration case, it's important to keep important documents organized. Know where your records are. Know where your immigration paperwork is located. Know how to contact your attorney. Know who your family should call if an issue does arise. Preparation doesn't mean expecting something bad to happen. Preparation means reducing confusion if something does happen. Another misconception I hear frequently is that ICE can simply do whatever it wants. The reality is that immigration enforcement operates within the legal framework and procedure. That's why understanding your rights matters. It's also why getting accurate legal information matters. Now let's discuss a mistake I see people make all the time. They assume that because something happened to a friend, relative, or person on social media, the exact same thing will happen to them. Immigration law doesn't work that way. Every case is different. Every immigration history is different. Every encounter can involve different circumstances. This is why personalized legal advice is so important. Let's also talk about fear. Fear is understandable. Immigration issues can affect families, careers, finances, and futures. But fear can also cause people to make poor decisions. I've seen people ignore important notices. I've seen people avoid speaking with attorneys because they're afraid of what they'll hear. I've seen people rely on misinformation because it feels more reassuring than reality. The better approach is information. The more you understand your situation, the more control you have over your next steps. And that's really the message I want people to take away from this video. The goal is not panic. The goal is preparation. The goal isn't fear. The goal is understanding. When you know your rights, understand your options, and have a plan in place, you're already in a much stronger position. No matter your immigration status, understanding your rights is one of the most important things you can do. Don't wait until a stressful situation happens to start asking questions. Learn now, prepare now, and make sure you're getting information from reliable sources. If you have questions about your immigration status, concerns about your rights, or simply want to better understand your options, our office is here to help. Contact us today and schedule a consultation. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because we regularly share immigration updates, legal insights, and practical information designed to help you navigate the immigration system with confidence.